Have you heard of Bobble yet? Bobble is your one-stop fun solution for all your activities and social networks. Instead of promoting your different social accounts like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, simply invite your friends, family, business partners, fans, customers, or visitors to follow you at Bobble.us. At Bobble, they can see all your posts, tweets, pins, and shares from other social pages, and additionally, everything you want to share with them right at Bobble.us. Music, podcasts, pictures, recipes, videos, games, presentations, selfies, news, let's plays, poems, tips, memes, deals, updates, whatever it is. You can share it all on one page. Additionally, you can follow other bobblers. You can rebobble third-party posts that you like, and you can send private messages to your bobble friends instead of checking several different websites not to miss anything. At Bobble.us, you will find everything on one page. Thanks to our unique design, Bobble is suitable for every internet device, from the smallest smartphone to the highest resolution screen. Additionally, our advanced security and privacy features assure you peace of mind. On top of all this, Bobble is rewarding you for your activities. The more content you share and the more Bobble follows, rebobble, and like your posts, the more Bobble Cash you will receive. You can convert your Bobble Cash into coupons, into free shopping deals, or into real cash. Finally, you get paid for your activity in social networks. So, the question is, are you ready to bobble? Are you ready to bobble? Bobble.us is in pre-launch right now, and thousands of internet users from all over the world have already registered. March 1st, 2015 is the global launch, and the whole world will begin to bobble. What are you waiting for? Become a bobbler now!